Hello all, today we will learn how you can set up your Teldrip Connect account. So, first thing, visit our website teldrip.com. Once you come on our website, you will see this login CTA. Click on login button and you will find two of our very interesting products. First, Teldrip Insight, which is a call routing software operating in click to call and pay per call industry. Then you have Teldrip Connect, which is a cloud telephony software. And we are going to be walking through the demo for Teldrip Connect right now. So click on Teldrip Connect. Since you are going to be creating your account for the first time, so you need to click on sign up. Now you need to enter all your details once you have clicked on sign up. So I will enter all my details. Then I need to enter the email. I need to set password. Click on agree to the terms and submit. Now OTP will be sent which you need to enter to verify your account. So I will enter the OTP and my account will be created. Now I need to re-log in to my account so that I can start using it. Now once I log in back, I will be routed to the pricing page. From here, I need to select for which plan I want to go for. The first plan we have is free plan. It has 7-day free trial. In this 7-day of free trial, you will get $5 of worth of credit, then 60 minutes of calling for free, and then 20 messages for free. Then you have basic plan and professional plan. In basic plan, these are the bunch of features that you will get, and in professional plan, these are the bunch of features you will get. With both basic and professional, you get unlimited outbound minutes and inbound minutes, as you can see here. So today we would be seeing how to set up your free trial account. So in order to set that, click on start free trial. So when you click on start free trial, you need to enter your address. So I will enter my address. I click on this. Now, for verification purpose, I will have to add my card and $1 will be deducted from my card. But this is a refundable amount. Once the verification has happened, the amount will immediately be refunded back to your account. So enter your card number. Once I have entered the OTP, my account gets created, and now after the payment is successful, I will be routed to the product page. So as you can see, the payment is now successful. Now it will automatically route me to the product page. Once I enter the product will show me walkthrough of the product. If you want to watch it, you can click on continue. If you want to skip it, you can simply click on skip button and skip the walkthrough. So there are 4 steps in the walkthrough. I will click on continue and finish. So now this is how the platform looks like. As you can see here, you have $5 worth of credit. Now the very first thing that I would recommend you is to verify your account. It will take less than 5 minutes to verify your account. You just need to submit one ID and the account is verified after all your details filled in that is correct. Now you can see here you've got free minutes. So in your free trial you've got 20 messages free and 60 minutes of free calling. Now this platform is more like your mobile phone, a soft version of your mobile phone. And in order to start calling, you need to have a VoIP number so that you can call on different numbers. So what you need to do is go on numbers module and buy number for whichever country you want to buy. Right now we are giving numbers for US, Europe and a bunch of few countries. So you can click on add new number and select for which country you want to buy number. So right now I want to buy for United States, so I click on United States. In case you have choice for any particular states within US and the city, you can select that as well. Then you get an option for you want to buy local number or you want to buy toll free number. So right now I want to buy local number. So I click it on generate and a bunch of numbers get generated. These are all local numbers. Okay, you can anytime toggle from here and change. Then the pricing for each number is $2 per month. You get $5 worth of credit. So using that you can buy the number whichever you like. So let's say I like this number, so I click on buy and the number get bought. Once the number buying is completed, it takes hardly 2 to 3 seconds. Now you need to set configuration of that number. So in order to start receiving calling and start doing outbound calls, you need to do configuration. So in order to do configuration, click on that number. So you can name that number. Okay, so Chris number 1. Do you want to enable call recording or not? You can do that. Save. Then you have incoming. Who do you want incoming numbers on this numbers to be routed to? So right now I have just one user, it's myself, but let's say I add more and more agents and users in my team. So in that case, this feature is really helpful. So I choose Chris Brown and then I enable outbound calling as well. So here I choose, and then in case you want to enable messaging, click on enable. Do you want to enable both? And then choose the user and click on save. Now everything is done. Now what you need to do is you need to simply click on your dialer and start calling. So where do you see the dialer? It's here. Click on the dialer and choose the number from which you want to call. Just like your mobile phone, you have SIM. Okay, so if you have one SIM, so maybe you can start calling from it. In case you have multiple SIMs, then you can select from the drop down like here. Now enter the number on which you want to call. So I enter the number and I will start calling. So I click on this call button and the call is placed. As you can see now, the dialer is open and the call is placed. Once the customer picks up the call, I can hold his call, I can mute him, I have access to keypad. Then what reason for I have called for, I can select from here. Then I can add more people on the call if in case I want to. But for that I need to have more people in my contact. Okay. Then let's say I want to transfer this call to my senior agents or maybe senior users, so I can do that from here. Then while I'm giving the demo or I'm talking to my customer, I can take notes here and I can also mark tags. But why don't I see tags and reasons and all of this? So for that we need to go to settings and do configuration for them. So let's understand how do we do that configuration. So let me end the call and let me go to the settings. So I go inside settings, I see this calling and there's this option for call disposition. So inside call disposition, what's the reason why I'm calling? So let's say Teldrip Connect demo, Teldrip Insights demo. Once I have chosen certain call reasons, outcomes and tags, I can save them all. So now next time when I make a call, you will see a bunch of things. So let me make a call. See, when I make a call, and once the customer has picked the call, again, now in reason, see, in settings, I had made that configuration. Now I can choose this. Teldrip Connect demo, then notes. Hey, this is a demo note. I take it and then tag. Let's say I do some tag sales offer. Nice, save it. Now when I end the call, I will be able to see all of that. Okay, so when I go inside call logs and click on the call log, you see I will be able to see the note I had taken, call reason, and call outcomes are always set after the call. So either you can edit it from here, or you can go back and select the call outcome from here. So lead converted. And call charges, right now it's showing $0 because I have been charged from my free minutes. Okay. So this is how our call logs look like. Dialed number, missed call, received call, in case somebody has sent me a voice note, so I can track it here. And you can see 2 minutes has been deducted when I made those previous calls. Now, second thing, let's go to our inbox. Let's say I want to message my customers or the clients. So simply either you can directly type a number of the customer who you want to message, or you can choose the number from the contact which we have not uploaded yet. So simply what I'll do is I'll go here in the call logs, click on messages, and hello, this is a demo message, and I choose the number from which I want to message, and hola, the message is sent to the customer. Now let's say you don't like choosing a number every time you are messaging, okay, and you want a default number. Same thing goes for calling. You don't want to choose a number every time. So what you can do is go inside settings, and you can select a default number from which you want to make a call every time. You can also select a default number for messaging. Once you save it, every time now you will message, the message will go from the same number. However, while messaging, you can always change it. Let's, in case of you have multiple numbers. Now in messaging, there's always a case wherein you have to message same thing to multiple clients. So it's really hard to type same thing again and again. So you can set some default templates. How do you set templates? Go inside settings, click on template, add new template, and demo temp, mega sales going on, and you can type what the message is. Hey, if you have a bulk contact saved and you want their name to be displayed, so you can select a variable. We have mega sale going on in our Teldrip Connect, check it out. Now see, you get to see the preview. This is how the message will look like, and now I save it. So when I go back to inbox, now I don't need to type same message again and again. I can simply select the template and send the message to all my customers. So it's that easy. Now everything that you're doing, you're able to track it in your dashboard. Your free messages that you've been charged, your free minutes that you've been charged, what's the total number of messages you've done. You can select filters, you can do a bunch of things. Then call logs, all the calls that you do, you can track it here. Then you have inbox. So with this, we have very basic understanding of how the product operates. Okay. Then you also have bunch of things that you can configure inside your settings. You can set your profile picture, you can add your address and a bunch of things. Then you can select time zone, at which time zone you're working. Then you can select your business hours, what's the time that you work at office. Then very important, inside securities, you can change your password, and we have this feature called two-factor authentication. So in case, or mostly we all need high securities on a platform. So you can enable two-factor authentication. You have two methods of enabling two-factor authentication. One is through Authenticator app, and the second is through phone numbers, which is basically OTP based SMS. So whichever suits you best, you can go ahead with it. Then inside calling, we have already seen. Then call settings, you can either turn on mobile mode, for which you can install the Teldrip Connect mobile application and start using, or you can enable desktop mode. then disposition we have already seen, messaging settings we have already seen, template we have already seen. So this is how the platform looks like. Now the interesting part, the contacts that you need to upload. So here inside contact module, you can simply click on add new contact. You can name the list demo list, and you can upload your contact either in bulk, you can upload a file, or you can add individual contacts. Users module is very simple. Let's say you have a big team and you want to invite them also to start using the platform. So you can simply click on invite user and enter their details and send them invite, and they will get access to the platform. This feature we will also get to watch in later part of the demo videos that we are pushing on our YouTube. Numbers you've already seen. Now coming to the final module, which is plans. Let's say you are fully satisfied from a free trial and now you want to buy a plan. So you go inside plans module and click on add plan. So you get to see two plans we have, basic, professional. Now in order to know what are the functionalities we will be giving inside basic, so click on this info icon and you will get to see all the bunch of features we have inside our basic plan. You go here info icon and you get to see all the bunch of features that we have inside professional. Make sure when you are buying plan to also add credit during it. Credits would be useful in case you have exhausted all your free messages and free calling minutes. Credit will also help you when your plan expires, then it will automatically renew your plan. To other method to this is also you can add your credit card. So when your plan expires, your credit card can help you to auto renew the plan for your product. So that's it for today on Teldrip Connect. You can reach out to our support team. We have added the email in the description below. And yeah, that's it from our side. Thank you all of you. Bye bye.